right, so from here, I'm looking to get the inside side. All right, he's gonna be circling in, I'm circling in, and then until I get to a point where I'm here and I'm flaying this out, and I'm gonna pop a little bit, snap down here, and then I go with the go behind from here. All right, now, I'm gonna dive this in, open them up, sit through, and walk this from here. I'm gonna pull, and now from here, this is gonna go here. He's not getting any of it. And then I go here. One more. All right, with the calf slice. All right, one more time. And I'll start this out. Ready, 1, 2.